In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blog posts on Wix. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or new to the digital landscape, Wix provides a user-friendly platform that makes the process straightforward and intuitive. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you know how to get your thoughts and stories online with ease. First, you'll begin by heading over to your Wix editor. This is your main dashboard and your hub of creativity. Once you're there, take a moment to find your bearings, and then direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll want to click on the Add Apps option. This is where all the magic begins when enhancing your site's functionality. Next, you'll need to search for the Wix blog app. You can do this by typing Wix blog into the search bar provided. As soon as you find it, click on Add to Site. What this does is integrate the blog application into your Wix site, setting the stage for your creative process to take flight. Once you've successfully integrated the blog app, click on the blog section within your Wix editor. This action will help you visualize the placement of your blog on your site, enabling you to make any spatial adjustments needed to accommodate your new content. With the blog section in place, it's time to head over to your Wix dashboard. From this central hub, navigate to the blog option, and then click on Posts. This is where all your written content will live, organized neatly for you to manage at your convenience. To create a new blog post, select Create New Post. This will open up a blank canvas for you to start crafting your masterpiece. Start by adding an enticing title that will capture your reader's attention. It's important that your title is both descriptive and engaging, to draw in as many viewers as possible. Now comes the fun part: writing your content. Whether you're sharing a recipe, a personal story, or industry insights, ensure your content is clear, informative, and engaging. Pour your creativity into this space and let your uniqueness shine through. As you wrap up your writing, take a moment to set up the post details. This could include things like categories, tags, or even a featured image, all of which help in optimizing your post for search engines and improving its overall structure and appeal. Finally, when you're ready for your words to meet the world, click on Publish. This action will make your post live immediately, available for your readers to enjoy. And just like that, you've added a new blog post to your Wix site. Congratulations! You've just mastered the basics of blogging with Wix. With these tools, you can continue to express yourself and build your digital presence. Feel free to explore and tweak as you go along. Happy blogging!